Okay, I'm trying to do this on a cell phone camera and it's doing shorter and shorter videos. So I'm going to try to get through the rest of these as fast as I can. I solved this. I squared both sides and I get 4 cosine squared x equals 2. Then when I get the square root of both sides, I end up with cosine x is plus or minus 1 over root of 2. So x has to be a 45-degree angle. And since it's plus or minus, it's all 4 45-degree angles. So remember, pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4 are the 4 45-degree angles in radians. Okay? The next one, you would just solve and get tangent. If you look at it, you can see what I mean. You can just say tangent of theta over 4 equals 1 over root of 3. Okay? Well, what has a tangent of 1 over root of 3? Well, it would be pi over 6 since it's positive. And it would also be in this quadrant because it's positive. So if this is pi over 6, this is 2 pi over 6. And you go around, and you would get the one that's in that. So over here would be just pi, so it's 6 pi over 6. So this would be 7 pi over 6. So 7 pi over 6 will be your second answer in radians. Okay, 28. You read that. The tangent of the angle whose cosine is negative 3 over 5. So if you were to draw this, and the cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, you would just do your Pythagorean theorem and discover that's 4. So it wants the tangent of the angle whose cosine, so the tangent would be opposite over, and since it's negative 3 over 5, the cosine is negative 3 over 5, that means it has to be over here, because these arc problems are only good from here to here. But with a cosine, you add in this since there's no negative cosines in the first and fourth quadrant. So it would be over there, so that means the sine is negative and the tangent's negative, so the answer would be negative as well. So just draw your triangle, put in your adjacent and hypotenuse, use your Pythagorean theorem to find your missing side, and find your tangent. Okay, log problems. Okay, just remember, your basic log conversion is log base number equals the exponent, okay? And if you subtract 2 with the same base, then you're actually dividing. So you gather your logs for 29 and do log 7, 2x minus 1 over 3x minus 3